Planning a trip to New Zealand? Before applying for a New Zealand ETA, it's important to understand the basic document and eligibility requirements. First, you must hold a valid passport. Your passport should remain valid for at least 3 months after your planned departure from New Zealand. Without this, your application may not be accepted. Applicants must also meet health requirements. You should be in good health and must answer all health-related questions truthfully during the ETA application process. Another key requirement is good character. Travelers should not have serious criminal convictions or a history of deportation, as this can affect eligibility. You must also be able to show sufficient funds to support yourself during your stay in New Zealand, ensuring you can cover your travel and living expenses. In addition, a return or onward ticket is required to confirm that you plan to leave New Zealand before your permitted stay ends. The New Zealand ETA is designed for short-term visits, generally allowing stays of up to 3 months per visit, depending on nationality. If you meet these requirements, you can confidently proceed with your New Zealand ETA application and start planning your journey.